I imagine, I don't know if this is a 180 or not. Usually there's a train before it even comes. We're about to find out. He's hammering. Tanker, southbound, Bramer, Missouri. The 180 usually comes about an hour behind this thing. And they start hitting the brakes after they get over the hill right up there. But it seems the engine on the back, I'd say it's in notch 6 or 7. I don't know if it's a notch 8, but it's got to be in notch 6 or 7. They're always wound up coming through here.